Hi there, and welcome to moversload. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up your user profile. Step 1 is to log in to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, which is the screen that you see here, let's go ahead and click on User Profile in the top right corner. The next screen you'll see will be the home screen of your user profile. On this account, you can see that we have some information already listed, but when you create yours, these fields will be blank. On this home page, you can upload your business logo, edit your phone numbers, update your email address, change your password, select your country, choose your currency, select your team size, set your time zone, and enable notifications. You can enable notifications like Get User Tracking so that you'll receive daily tracking reports for all of your staff. Or you can also select Get Reminder Notifications so that, for example, if any particular salesperson or customer service staff member sets up a reminder for themselves to call a client later on, as an admin, you'll also be given a reminder. So in case that staff member forgets to call their client, you'll be able to remind them. Pretty handy, right? Now let's take a look at the left navigation menu. First, let's click on Add Branch. Now this is where you can add your business branch. You can go ahead and click on the plus icon to add your branch. Just check this box next to Active to make sure your branch is active. Go ahead and add your business code. You can add either 2 numbers or 2 letters. Select your group number in this drop-down. Then add your branch name. Just as an example, I'll use the fake company name Movestar and add information for this fictional company. Here you can upload your branch logo, and here you can upload your branch icon. In the following fields, you can add your address, you can add your phone numbers, email address, website name, and website URL. And here you can add your license number. And last but not least, here you can add your branch manager's name. And of course, always remember to click Save. Great! So now that you've added your branch, let's move on. Go ahead and click on Add Truck. On this page, you can add your trucks. To do this, just click on the plus icon on the top right. And then start filling out each field. You can add your truck name, truck size, remarks, fee type, such as per hour, per day, per job, per mileage total, and per mileage. Then you can add your truck fee, the vehicle year, the vehicle maker, and the vehicle model. You can even upload your vehicle logo. Here, you can add your truck plate number, the state used, the branch name, the vehicle purchase date, the purchase price, the current vehicle mileage, the out-of-service date, the VIN number, and finally, any other description you have about the truck. And when you're finished, don't forget to click Save. Once you hit Save, you'll see that your truck is listed on the table. And if you ever need to delete a truck, just click on the little box next to Edit, and then hit Delete. Let's move on. Go ahead and click on Add Local Charge on the left navigation menu. On this page, you can add your price. You can choose between low and high in this drop-down on the top. You'll have to set up prices for both low and high price individually. Listed here in this table, you see the move name, which basically describes the type of move. Next is the truck, which will have the number of trucks. Man, which will have the number of movers. Next is hours, which is the total number of hours for the move. This column is where you'll list the per hour price. Next to that, you have the travel time hours, so the total number of hours for travel. And lastly, the travel time per hour price, or the price you charge per hour for travel. Go ahead and fill out each section. And remember, click Save when you're done. Now, let's move on to Add Email Template. Go ahead and click on Add Email Template on the left navigation menu. On the Email Templates master page, you can choose one of the already built-in email templates by clicking on the Default Email Template drop-down menu and selecting one of the templates. Just as an example, I'll choose the Moving Estimate template. If you scroll down the page, you'll see the Template Editor. These templates are completely customizable, so you can add your own logo and contents. Or, if you have an email template designed and it's saved on your computer, you can click on the Source button and copy and paste your email template source directly into the editor. Now let's scroll down and look at some of the codes to use when you want to insert specific information into the source code of your pre-designed email template. This could be information like client first name, client last name, username, etc. So let's say, for example, that you want your client's name to show up in the body of the email. In order to do so, now this is after you've pasted your email template source code up here in the editor, just scroll down and copy the first name code, and then scroll up and paste it into the source code for your email. When you're finished, go ahead and click Save. Now, let's go ahead and click on Set Parameter. On this page, you'll see that we already have some information here, but it'll be blank on your new account, so you'll want to start filling in these fields. You may want to start with making your high price the default. Click on the arrow and select either high price or low price. You can have the system calculate your local charge fee both for the low and high price. To have your account automatically send out emails, go ahead and click on the Automatic Letter Email template and select a template from the drop-down menu. If you charge by the pound or cubic feet, enter your minimum distance for long distance in this field. So, for example, if you have a minimum of 100 miles, you'll add it here. Next, if you have a minimum amount of pounds for long distance calculations, enter it here. For example, if you have a 2,500 pound minimum for long distance, you'll add it here. Next, you can add a percentage for fuel that you want to charge in the Fuel Charges field. Go ahead and do the same for the Discount field. You can add the commission percentage you want to pay your sales team and anyone else you might pay by commission as well in this field. Now, let's scroll down and look at the Full Value Protection Amount of Liability table. This table works the same way car insurance does. You simply add your deductible values on the left column fields and your valuation charges on the right column fields. This is mainly used if you want to charge extra for full protection coverage on the insurance. Now, let's look at the per lead price table. This table refers to the price you will charge per pound for long distance. As you can see, there are 3 ways you can have the system charge your customer. They are low price, medium price, and high price. Go ahead and fill out those text boxes per price pound as needed. And as you can see here, you can have the system default to one of these options: low, medium, or high. Let's move down to the email setting. By utilizing this email setting, you can link your email with the system. This setting will allow you to send and receive emails with your own email account. Here, you can see the correct settings for Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail in this table. You can use the information in this table to help you fill out the fields above. Now below, you'll find the Scheduler table. Here you can have the system automatically assign leads to your sales team during their shift. Currently on this schedule, we have 3 shifts per day: shift 1, 2, and 3. So for instance, to schedule your team, use the drop-down menu next to shift 1, 2, or 3, and make sure to select the correct team member or employee. Then add his or her shift start and end hour to the time from and time to fields next to their name. To learn how to add your employees into the system so that they show up here in the drop-down menu on this scheduler, go ahead and watch the tutorial video on how to add your team members into the system. As always, go ahead and scroll down to click Save. We hope this video was helpful and that you learned how to set up your user profile on your account. And once again, welcome to moversload.com.